multivariate analysis. This is multivariate analysis, correct? And then we understand how the visualizations we learned, how the visualizations would help business or client to think and re-strategy to the business, right guys? Re-strategy to increase the business income, to increase the business income. Am I correct or not? So that's what we have here. And next one. Okay. So dot map, how to map mapping function on top of facet grid. Every plots we done this. Clear? So the next one, so what we will learn, so there's a data analysis, and I shared you some of the data sets about which one, guys? Iris dataset. Iris dataset we done. Okay. And then in advanced Python, we discuss if we done. Okay. And we completed data analyst project for movie rating analysis. And then in advanced Python, we introduce if. We done some code for this. If else. We understood the logic, and then if elif we done. But nested if we stuck there. We'll start working on it. Okay, guys. So yesterday we completed data analysis topics we done. So this is what things we done. Let's copy, paste here. Today's date is 21. We are at 29th session. 29th. I'm sorry, 21st. So today, first listen the class. I will share the document work in home. Okay. So what happened when I speak something, you do something, but main thing will miss. So don't work, just off your laptops, offline team. Online team, don't off the laptop. Okay, offline team, you close your laptop and then please focus the classes. Everybody, and then I will complete the loops today and you go home and work. And I'll give you some. And I think pandas, right? Just desktop. I'll give you some interview questions. One moment. Okay, pandas. First, interview questions. Let's open. I prepared some questions. Pandas. Do you see what is data frame in pandas? How to read data CSV file? How to access the first few row of data frames? How to select single column of data frames? How to reset the index of data frames? Can I share this? It's very informative or not? And then pandas interview questions for data scientists. How to sort a data frame, how to sort a data frame, how to check and remove duplicate values in pandas, how to create new column based existing columns, how to handle missing values in data. See, you don't have much work, guys, right? And so two different ways to create a pandas data frame. So this is all the question bank I have, guys. If you complete this question bank, I'm sure any interview ask any questions from pandas, you will done. I'm not giving much questions, guys. Whenever you feel sleepy or something, like open a lead code, I want everyone to complete NumPy and pandas. From the lead code, NumPy and pandas, please complete. I'll give you time duration 1 month. Let's see how many of them will complete. I hope everyone know how to log into this. It's very simple. The way you can log into your profile, LeetCode, and then you go to the sections. You can find you can find your NumPy. Type NumPy. It's an easy platform. Please do so, guys. If not, I will show you tomorrow. So understand or not? So which one? So you guys trust me. Why I'm doing this practice? For your future itself, not for me. If you get salary, would you give it to me? Even to give, I don't take. I said give it to your family. Understand him? So what I'm saying, we are doing this practice because it's very important. Are we clear? Can you do it or not? Offline team and online team. I want you to complete NumPy pandas from LeetCode. This is must. This is, and once you complete NumPy pandas, your job will definitely will get. Excuse me, buddy. Hello. Why you on the laptop, man? Can you off it? Why you absent these many days? I'll speak. We'll speak later. Can you do it online, guys? I don't get any response from you. Would you do this or not? What happened you do? Let me give you. I will show you today my another student placed. I'll show you offer letter. See in the sessions, I not only trained, I show the result. And in that offer letter, I want to see your name as well. Let's go ahead and do it. Today, we'll work with conditional statement and complete this. The first one. And check this. If, elif, and multiple leaf, there's a lot of issues or not? When you write multiple leaf, what happened? In the memory, it consumes more memory. So that's why we write as if else. We write up to this we covered yesterday or not? Can we go to the next one? When we use nested if you have one condition, you can use if. When you have more than one conditions, we can go for nested if. We can go for nested if. So what exactly mean by that? Check this. The same code x equal to 3. So yesterday we done one example. Write the Python code to check whether the number is even number, or are we done this program or not? This is the questions we solved using if else. We try this one. Next one. X equal to 3 mod 2. If reminder equals to 0, and one moment, I forgot to mention, yesterday I also introduced debugging concept or not? We introduced to PyCharm. And do you try the debugging for control flow? Guys. Next one, try this, minimize. If the number reminder equal to 0, it is even number, isn't it? If this condition is okay, then it will print whether the number is greater than 5 or less than 5. Clear, guys? See this, 3 mod 2, reminder is 1 or not? So what is output I get? We get output as odd number. Just go ahead and check this. Clear this one? If the number is even number and a 4 mod 2 reminder 0, then print even number. It check another condition as does 4 is greater than 5. So does 4 is greater than 5, guys, here? I mean, okay, one moment, let's copy and I'll add another one. Just try to 4 or maybe 8. So just go ahead and check now. So what exactly output we got? Print even number. And then if x print greater number, we got even number and greater number. We got two conditions or not? Am I correct? But now if you say this, if you work on this code, try this. Now let's work as 4. Let's work as 4, guys. 4 mod 2, reminder 0, print even number. Does 4 greater than 5? So what is output I print here? What is output I print here? So it check print even number, it will print. 4 greater than 5. It don't print, right? So one line. But one condition is missing or not, guys? That's the reason we need to use else block. So nested if. If inside the if is called nested if. Now check this. When you execute, this is not greater. If I change 8, this is even number and this is greater number. Pretty clear, guys? Online team, I hope understand. Very simple logic. So when you apply more conditions, you can apply for nested if. We do have a concept if, elif, else. I want to print. Online team, just let me know. I hope this is done. So if, what are the topics we done so far? The first one, if we done, and multiple if, else, okay, and for more conditions we done. Now the next one, if, elif, else. I want to print number 1 as ONE. I want to print number 2 as TWO. I want to print number 3 as THREE. Clear? Let's try. X equals to 1. If x equal to 1, print 1. Correct? If x equal to 2, print 2. Understand? If x equal to 3, print 3. If x equal to 4, print 4. Just go ahead and execute. What exactly happened? 1. But here, if I say 3, you got 3 or not? But I said multiple times, do not use multiple leaf. The reason being, if I check in PyCharm, what happened? If I mention 1, I should stop it. It wouldn't stop here. It will check 2 as well. It will check 3 as well. It will check 4 as well. It take more time in memory spaces creations. So rather than do this, I can use as elif. I can use as elif. Instead of writing, can we use elif? Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So instead of writing this one, I can use elif. Now what haven't done elif, guys? The same thing. Let's copy and did I close PyCharm? Okay. Guys, would you do it home now? So yesterday I already explained. Just open to PyCharm. Just click here debugging. When you F8, it will run all the codes. Now when you do elif, what happened? If x equals to 1, it print and skip rest of the suits case. It skip rest of the elif statements. Cleared? If, elif. But now understand here, x equal to 1, we got output as 1. X equal to 4, we got output as 4. But when I say x equal to 7, what is output I'll get now? No, because we have declaration still 4. We don't have 7. Now, on that case, I'll use else block. Check. This is neither error nor output. Because this is neither error nor output. So here, if x equal to 1, can I use else? Print wrong output. So if, elif, else. If, elif, else. Just go and check. We got wrong output. So here, the same things we got wrong. I mean, if you have 4, we got 4. If you have 10, 10 we don't have or not? That's what we got output as wrong output. Guys, are you clear or not? Are you clear? So far, if, else, elif we completed. Online team, does everybody clear? Just give me answer. Offline team? Offline team, everyone clear? If, else, multiple nested if, elif, else, and how the memory understanding happening in that concept's clear. Now we learn the concept. For practical, I will share document tomorrow. If else, some questions. So some of the pattern, I'll give you some practical. Please work in the home for the Python. Understand? Because we know the concepts. I will share some documents tomorrow. I'll share some documents tomorrow. Okay, very good, guys. Now, next step. Go to the next one. Loops. In programming world, sometimes we keep things repeating, isn't it? In programming world, in normal life only, we keep things repeating. Maybe you want to repeat 5 statement. So if I say print data science 5 times, I can type print data science, print data science, print data science 5 times. Pretty clear? But if I say print data science 10,000 times, would you do that? No. This is highly impossible. If you want to print the data science 1000 times, then what will you cannot copy 1000 times. If you want to print 1000 times, then you can't do manually. Can you do manually? No. That is the reason we need to apply loops. Loops are 2 types. Conditional statements, this all comes in logic unit or not? We have 3 units, memory unit, and then assignment unit and logic unit. So we learn if, and then if else, and then nested if elif, else. Done. Just work on some projects, things would be clear. Now, loops. Loops are 2 types. The first one, while loop, understand one by one. Okay. Main difference between most of them people, when to use while, when to use for. Let's understand that first, but before that, let's have a look at this. Now, the moment when you say I equal, the moment when you write while, always it refers to the conditions, guys. We'll upcheck a conditions. Does we initialize what we called? We initialize the variable which start with 1. While I less than equal to 5, print data science I equal to I plus 1. Increment or not? So how many times happen, guys? What is output I get now? Just go ahead 5 times, because it will check 1 less than equal to 5. Condition yes. Print data science. So first it will print data science. Then I equal to I plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Again it check. 2 less than equal to 5. Data science. Again it will check. 3 less than equal to now 5 less than equal to 5. Print. I equal to 5 plus 1. 6 less than equal to 5. Wrong. It come out. Isn't it? Clear this one? Why we use? Now if I say print the data science for 1000 times, my solution is easy. Solution is, because what you do, I equal to 1, I less than equal to 1000, and print data science, I got output as 1000 times. So which is better? This one better or this one better? While is better? Always remember, after colon, how many spaces every time I said? 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember. When you write if inside the if else, again see if 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, indentations. That's the way you recognize. That's the way you recognize. Check this now. No, I didn't share. I never share the concepts which I didn't explain. Everything you'll find in Google. So let me finish and then I'll share. Okay. Now, see, is this print data science incremental or decremental, guys? Incremental. Can I print data science decremental? Yes. How? If I change the logic I equal to 5, I greater than equal to 1, can we print like this? I equal to I minus I. Can I write this or not? For example, I equal to 5, 5 greater than equal to 1, yes or no? True. Print data signs I. So, but here the thing, the moment when you execute the code, you don't know whether it is increment or decrement. I can also write the same concepts using different logic. I greater than 1 equal to 1 and I'll do I minus 1. Still data science prints or not? I meant to say I equal to 5 while condition. Does 5 greater than 1? Yes. Condition true. Print data science. I equal to 5 minus 1, 4. Does 4 greater than equal to 1? Yes, it print data science. Keep goes on. And I equal to, 5 minus 1. I keep doing things, guys, isn't it? So this is increment. But to check whether it is increment and decrement, just add I here, guys. In the print statement, comma, and add I here. So when you add I, now concept clear or not? You can also mention like this. You check this. Clear? How do this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 incremental. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now decremental. What do you do? Just again apply I with the same code. Decremental 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, are you understand? While loop we used when we have some conditions. See how the Python structure, I try to draw one map, try to check this first. We learn data type, correct guys? Where do we implement data type? In data structure. We learn data structures where we implement NumPy, isn't it? So NumPy we introduce in pandas, isn't it? And then we build a project NP plus PLT and we build a data analysis project. So this is all part we done. Now let's come back to the coding part. In the coding part, we are learning conditional statement, if, else. We learn this conditional statement because we apply this conditional statement in the while loop or for loop. Clear? We learn if else to apply inside while. We learn while for to apply inside function. Are you able to connect the dots? We will learn this while to define inside the. We learn functions to define inside the class. So this function is called method. So everything is interconnected. So all the files are connect from one to other. Just go ahead and do this. Very interesting topic, guys. I just try this now. So here we'll use one condition or not. How many conditions we use? One conditions. Can we use multiple while loop or nested while loop? To understand nested while loop, you can use PyCharm and debug with F8 options. Listen to me and let's do it. Let's say this. I want to ask you what output we get here. So guys, understand while loop or not? Incremental and decremental. I equal to 1, okay? 1 less than equal to 5. Condition true? print data science. If this condition true, then j equal to 1. Then what happened, guys? J equal to 1. While j less than equal to 4, print technology, j equal to j plus 1 and I equal to I plus 1, print I. Okay, understand? Let's follow this again. So first it check 1 less than equal to 5. First what happened? Data science it will print. Right, guys? After that, j equal to j less than 4. 1 less than 4, it print technology. Correct? After the technology, j less than 4, j equal to j plus 1. It will don't come here. It will continue this for 4 times. So it will print the technology 4 times. Understand? Because it's inside it. So after 4 times, it's checked j equal to j plus 1. Now j equal to 4 plus 1. Does 5 less than equal to 4? No. Then what happened? It come out here. Now I equal to 1, I equal to 1 plus 1, 2. It again go there. 2 less than equal to 5. So here data science, technology print, how many times? 4 times. This part is done. Can we go to the another step? What happened? 2 less than 5. Again data science, technology print 4 times or not? Can we go ahead and do it? So the same things, how many times data science, technology print, guys? Just go and check. Data science, and again this loop occurs. Technology. So I would better, I can, do you guys install PyCharm Community Edition? Okay, it's free. Okay, good. Now here, one moment. Execute. Just open. Let's do it. So, but my questions, Sri, you need to know how to install. Come on, what questions you asking, Sri? Go to Google, type PyCharm Community Editions, download. Come on. I mean, simple things, don't make complicated. Okay, now go here and it will take some time. Just wait for this. But look at this. Online team, many people are not attend regularly. VS Editor, we can, no, please don't use. VS Code is different, Sri. And few concepts work in PyCharm. Why? Online team, many of them not attend regularly. It's up to you. Okay, so what is the reason we learning these courses, learning the technical knowledge? Because do you see, I have my student from morning batch. This is what resume. I'll have few sessions on resume prep as well. How do we prep resume? And her name is Gayatri from 10:30 a.m. I'm sorry. And then here, hi sir, I'm Gayatri. I got an offer from positions of data analyst. She's a fresher from Maharashtra. Trust me, she come to the lab morning at 10:30 a.m. She will attend the class till 7:30 p.m. She will sit. She don't talk, she come and practice. And this is what result. Offer letter 21 today. Immediately he will share me. Now check this data analyst and date of joining and packages. I mean, every company gives you 3 months probations period, and after that the package. And what is package? I think it's saying less only 3 LPA. Where is that? Okay. Yearly hike every January month. It doesn't matter, man, how much package at early stages, but would you get this or not? So this is what the result you'll get. Anyway, let's go to the work. So understand, team, why we get this, why we need to study to get offers. It throughout journey, I'll show multiple offers like that. Throughout journey, I will share you the multiple offers, but I want to see your name in the offer. Rather than someone names, I want to see your name. If your guys package is 10 LPA, change to 20. If your package is 30, aim for 50 or 60. Understand, guys? So data science is a no boundary of package increase. So do smart work and show the world. Next, let's get back to the code. Try this. But if you see the code, what happened? The code is too long or not? The code is too long. I have to scroll down. Is it done? Just copy and where is the PyCharm? Control V, right? Right click and run test. We got the same output or not? But what I try to do, close this now. I'll right click debug. First, try to understand how it works in the backend. F8, I equal to 1 or not? In memory, it checks variable stored, I equal to 1. It check conditions. Does 1 less than equal to 5? Yes. Then data science print. Then it create another variable, j equal to 1. Do you see j equal to 1? In memory, how many variables stored? 2 variable, I1 and j1. Now, j less than equal to 4. 1 less than equal to 4. Print technology. Check the 4 spaces. Then j equal to j plus 1. So when you do F8, it will not go here, it will come here. Do you see j equal to 2 now? It was 1 before, now it will change to 2. F8, 2 less than 4, condition satisfied. Again, j, what happened? 2 becomes 3. 3 less than equal to 4. Print technology. Then F8, 4 less than equal to 4, correct or not? Then print technology. So how many times have we done j? Look at down, 4 times. Then j equal to j plus 1, 5. It will check again. Does 5 less than equal to 5? Condition fails. Come out of it. It come here. Now I equal to I plus 1. So here F8. Print. After print, go again. I equal to 2. I equal to. So the moment when you keep doing just F8, check F8, 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 F8. Now again, j I equal to 3. Now try this. Now what happened? I equal to 4 now. J will print or not? Try this. I equal to 5. Again, we'll check 5 plus 1 equal to 6. And done. Now it condition incorrect or not? Then stop. Process finished. Now this is what output. Pretty clear? What we done? Nested while loop. What we done, guys? Nested while loop. So I want everyone, the way I'm explaining now, go home and do that. When I do it, my brain is active because all the fingers are connected to the brain. So when you do it, I hope know what you get. Next one. Just go to the next code. Are you done? But look at this code. The data science has, I don't want in-depth output. So in the same code, if I use end, which one I'll mention? When we mention end, the new line will not create. So what happened? Check. Do you see this now? Which is better, this one or this one? So why we use end in the loop? Done, guys? Good. Are you learning while loop? Now the one who not know before, things would be clear. Internal, how things going on, we're discussing right now. Let's do this. Let's use some patterns. Can you tell me what output you will get now? Solve it. Think and solve. Don't type. So first I equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 2. If 1 less than equal to 2, j equals to 0, right? J less than equal to 2, then print I into j, j plus 1. Can you solve it and let me know what is output? See, very simple. 1 to 4, 2 to 4, 3 to 4, upward. No, this is not this. Rupesh 0. Okay. No, wrong, man. What is the first output? See, first I equal to 1, I less than 2, j equal to 0, j less than 2, print I into j. I'm not using any print here. I into j means what? 1 into 0, right? 0. And it go to the next one. J plus equal to 1 means j equals to 1. So it's check. Does 1 less than equal to 2? Yes. So what happened? So I equal to, I hope you can follow that. The moment when you check this, 0, 1, 2 and 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2 and 0 to 4. I mean to say, first we get 0, then we get 1, then 1 plus 1, guys. I plus equal to 1, because here I write the conditions up to 2. I less than equal to 2. So that's why 0, 1, 2. And then this j becomes 1, right, guys? This j becomes first 0, and then we get 2 and 4. Can you do it or not? Offline team, online team. See, now you started brain is logic or not? I mean, we apply logic, guys. So that comes under logical unit. Okay. We can also, can you please fix this? Okay, let's I, and I'll take less one. I less than equal to 4 and j equal to 0, while j less than equal to 3 and j plus 1, print and I plus 1 equal to I. So this is nested while. While in the while, inside the while is called nested while. Okay, think and answer me, guys. First, I define I equal to 1. That's fine. Then I less than equal to 4. 1 less than 4 1 less than equal to 4. That's true. Now j equal to 0. Clear? J less 0 less than equal to 3. So what happened? Print I into j. So first 0 is printed. Done. Next. So end equal to next line. End means what? It not use next line. It will term the next line and print side. So j plus 1 equal to 1. What is j plus 1, guys? Now 0 become 1. 1 less than equal to 3. So what happened? I into j. I is 1. This is 1. Correct? So what next? So the next one j. So 2 less than equal to 3. Then 2. So I already done. Some of the online team already displays. Can you count like this? The way I'm doing, can't you do yourself? Can't you do yourself, guys? Offline team. Now let's go ahead and check. You got 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 to 4, 6, because here 1 become 2, right, guys? Then here 2 into 1, 2, then 4, then 6. This is what we get the output. Using help of this, we do print patterns. You know, in C, C++, we done print star, flag, rectangles, all those things. We do it, all those things. So my questions to everyone. So are we understand while and nested while? Are we clear? When we write while, when we have a conditions, we'll use while loop. So when you have more than one conditions, we can use it as nested while loop. We have nested while. Online team, just listen the classes. After that one, I will share this document. You can work. Things would be pretty clear. Things would be pretty clear. Clear now? Now when to use while? When we have a conditions. But when to use for loop? You can use for loop for data type, data structure. Do you see? for I in list, print I. It is a data structure or not? So for you can used in data type and data structure. NIT for I in string, print I. Long difference or not? Now today concept clear? What is difference between for and why? I mean while loop? Just refer to this. Name NIT for I in name, print I. Check this NIT printed or not. So this is a string data type. We cannot apply while here. You can apply for. It is a list. Can we get list now? This is again a list. Now range 5. For I in range 5, print I. Guys, if I shared this, now can you tell me for I in range 2, 5, what is output? 2, 2, 4. What is output for this? 1, 3 or 4? 3 or 4? 1, 4, 7. Step, guys. First 1 plus 3, 4, then 7. Guys, are you clear now? So now we learn if, right? We understood if else. What I said, how to plug and play. I now combine if inside my for to create a project. Listen to me. Print the value which is divisible by 5. The next question. Print the value which is, this is Q and 1 second. Okay. This is Q. Okay, so which is divisible by 5? Okay. You know 5 division? 5 ones are 5. So we have 5 tens are 50. Let's say for I in range 1 to 51. Nobody, Srikant, for loop you're using for only string data type. Did I say that? Srikant, I'm saying for loop, it's clearly mentioned, guys. We are using for loop for data type. It's not string. Data type means string will come, data structures list will come. We use these concepts. Clear, Srikant? Okay, everybody? Now, let's follow this. We do some used when we know exactly how many times we want to execute. Yeah. For loop we used, remember, only for data type, data structures, and you can, okay, now let's see. For loop I mentioned range functions. Are we learned? Range functions we know. I write this code for I in range of 1 to 51 means what? 1 to 50. I need to know if I mod 5 equal to 0, print I. So what is output I get now? Anyone? What is output I get, guys? Do you see 1 is divisible 5, remainder is 0? No. Do you see, can we print a 5 table or not now? If I tell you to, if anyone interview give you a, write the Python code to print 5 table, very simple, solved. Simple code, very big implementations. If I tell you 3 table, can you do 3 table now or not? So the same code, all the factors of from 5, 1 to 50. Let's say 5 mod 5 remainder 0, then only print. 10 mod 5 equal to 0, yes, then only print. If I write same logic, what if does not equal to 0, what happened? Exclude these numbers, rest of them print. So you know how to print a 5 division table? From the 5 division table, I don't print the number which is division by 5 from the given range. So it's better I change equal and do this. Concept clear? The same way, print the value which is divisible by 5, but I don't want the value. I can use not equal. I can use not equal. If, else, while, for. Clear or not clear? Non-technical student, especially some expert, come on, it's not for you. For non-technical guys, I'm talking. Clear, guys? So what is if, what is nested while, and all those things. Okay. I want to introduce, let's discuss about three keywords: break, continue, pass. So next keyword is break, continue, pass. Okay, let's see. You drive a vehicle. When you brake, what happens? The vehicle will stop, right, guys? And when you drive a vehicle, when you continue means what? From the stop, you can continue or not? And pass means you drive your vehicle, some other vehicles will come, you said pass. This is just an example where what normally we do in day-to-day life. But how to implement in the code? Let's follow this. Okay, I don't want to just take all those things, but very simple, we'll try to do. Listen to this. For I in range of 1 to 11, what is output I'll get, guys? 1 to 10. Clear? 1 to 10. I don't want 11 number. I want only 5 number for the range of 1 to 10. So my question, your manager said, I need only 5 numbers, but range should be 1 to 11 only. Okay? On that situations, for range 1 to 11, if I equal to 5, break. Just go and hit it. Good, guys, clear? What is meant by break? It break the loop based on if I say I equal to 6, it's break it. And if you say I equal to 7, it's break it. Guys, are you amazing concepts or not? So always remember, break, continue, pass, you have to declare inside the for loops. And also if you have to mention. So just go and we talk to one by one. So I know many of them has more confusion of all these concepts. Every confusion will gone in my training programs. No need to worry. Amazing concepts, right? So now when you create a computer vision task, we'll build a computer vision projects. In that projects, when you load a video from live camera, the camera should stop after 5 minutes or else it will print infinity. So when it print the output infinity, your memory is getting filled. So to stop it, I can use break keyword. I'm saying if I explain 35 keywords, your Python will closed. Understood? Can we go to the next concept? Just go here. For I in range 1 to 11, if I equal to 3, continue. What exactly mean by that? It exclude 3 and continue rest of things. Just go here and execute. Do you see this 3 is not print here? If I say break 1, 2, if I say continue, break, continue, are you clear? Everyone, offline team, online team, non-technical. What is the next keyword? Pass. Go here. I want to see. Let's dig down again more. For I in range 1 to 11, I equal to, so which one we skip it? 6 1, right? To understand more, I can say hello and I check this out. 6 we miss. If I say break, okay, do you see this, guys? Now break and continue. Now I'll also told you, I'm also explaining you where I use this. I use it in computer vision project, streaming cameras, the break keywords, very powerful. Understand? So these learning only we implement in the project. So break, continue, where we implement in the for loop. Try this now. What is pass? For I in range 1 to 11, can we get error or output? Man, you declare a loop, but you have to print it or not? Just go ahead and execute. Incomplete input. Incomplete. The moment when I say pass, got this? In object-oriented programming language, there is a concept called abstract method. There is a concept called abstract method. Abstract method saying it has a body. I mean, it has a, I'll talk all those things later. I don't make confuse, but remember these keywords. Are you clear? Break, continue, pass. What is break? Break the loop. Continue means continue the specific conditions. Pass means pass the bug. It's not, I mean, definitely it passed the syntax error. And this one we used in different way. I will give you one questions. Let's do some program. So how many programs I done right now? Abstract method only have a definitions, but no declarations. Wrong statement. Yes, Param. Abstract method only have a definitions, but no declarations. Anyway, we'll get back to all those things later. How many program we done first? Number is even number or odd number. Now let's write another command another functions I created. Now Python programs. No, guys, my question, is it better or not if I create like this? We got a clarity. The first one, print the number is even or odd. Next, what is the next one we done? Write the code for print multiplications table. 5 multiplications table, isn't it? And also the third one, print the numbers not divisible, which is not divisible by any number. Not divisible by. I hope you can frame your sentence as per your requirement. The fourth one, what is the next one? Let's go in the fourth one. And we done break, continue, pass. Okay, so break the loop, we already done. Now this is not a program. I just removed this. This is a concept we done. Okay, let's solve it another one. Interesting, guys. Everyone understand or not? Good. You need to print the number from 1 to 50, but don't print the value which is divisible by 3 or 5. In 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Those numbers I don't want to print. In 5 table, okay, 5 use continue. Let's try this now. For I in range 1 to 51, that means 5 tens are 50, 3 tens are 30. So when I write 1 to 51, that's okay. Both tables comes under it. Now try this. If I mod 3 equal to 0, print I. So what output I get, guys? 3 table or not? 3 table. But so here 30. If I mention 31, then only 30 print. As I mentioned 51. So 3 11s are 33, 3 12s are 36, and continue like this. Now, my question is, but what exactly the question is this one, isn't it? Print the number from 1 to 50. Just have a look at this. But when you say continue, do you see we use continue here, guys? And then print I. So what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4. We skip 3 or not? We skip 3. But what exactly the saying? Can you use OR operator, AND operator, OR operator? So the moment when you used for I in range, if I mod 3 equal to 0, continue and execute. Do you see, guys? I mean, you get the result where the numbers you don't find which is divisible by 3 or which is divisible by 5. But what if I change to end? So everything I got or not? 1 to 51. We got all these values. So here I change to OR. Continue. Very powerful now or not? Next one. What if? Okay. Guys, are you understand this one? We know we learn for, we learn if, we do continue. See, if I explain together, we can take more time. So I'll explain and go home and work with this code. I'll share this document. I made 3 Python file for you. First one for basic Python, advanced Python. Second file for functions, Lambda functions, all those things. Third one for oops, done. So go ahead and try understand. For I in range, when I do end, it will print all these outputs or not? Isn't it? Next one. I don't want to print the value which are odd numbers. That means print only even numbers between 1 to 51. So just go to the fifth one. What is the fourth code, guys? What is the fourth code we done? Just 1 second. I'll go here and need to print, okay, the number from 1 to 50, but don't print the value, don't print the number which is divisible by 3. Or now my questions in interview, if they ask any numbers, would you write the same code or not? Normally in interview, these are the basic questions only they will ask, guys. Next, I'll tell you all the Fibonacci sequences, all those things. Next, go to the fifth. Okay, just go down. I'll tell you the patterns as well. Now let's try. I don't want to print the value which are odd numbers. That means print only even numbers between 1 to 51 range. So the fifth code is print only even numbers between range of 1 to 51. Shall we do it? For I in range 1 to 51, if I mod 2 equal to 0, pass. Else print I then by. Do you see this, guys? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I mean to say, it print only odd numbers. I think only, no, I'm sorry. Print the only odd numbers between, skip even numbers. See how the powerful keywords are not. These keywords are, so what I explain you today, I explain the concept. Also, I explain where these keywords are used in the real time. Again, 1 to 51, I mod 2 means it will even numbers or not. I say pass means skip it. And then print all even numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. You know what is even numbers? And so guys, I hope you clear. Do you feel it's very fast? Online team, I'm asking to everyone. Yeah, I mean, this one you can wrong, guys. You can leave this. Print only odd numbers and print the value which are odd numbers. That means print only odd numbers, guys. Are you clear now? I changed it. Srikant, you can try this. Okay. Skip even numbers. That's right. Yeah. Now I think print only odd numbers and skip even numbers. 1 second. Nageshwar, what happened, buddy? Whatever you written is wrong. Yeah, I changed it. Now clear? Yeah, I just changed this. See, these things, okay, small typing mistake happen, guys. You don't need to, when you write, you can do this. When I type something, but in resume, don't do type wrong. It will give you disaster result. 5 programs we done. I want to complete this, I'll give it to you. Or maybe, can I stop it here or will continue? Can I stop it or continue? Online team, what do you want? Who said stop it, man? Continue, we'll continue, sir, we'll continue. So why can't we use continue? See, different concepts we use, you know. Can you try continue now? Just what happened? Continue. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. You can also try this. Pass and continue anyone. Okay? You can go for pass. That's okay. We have all those things. You can try this. Do one thing. Okay. Offline team, you bore. You don't interest the classes. Come on, man. You should love learning. And this is, I mention each and every point. See, online team saying continue. Offline team guys, no, stop. Okay. I know who it stop. You will stop in the journey. In 6 months journey, you guys will stop. Nope, I'm just kidding, guys. Try to work for 5 minutes, guys. Then I'll stop it, okay? We know for loop. We know while loop. Can I share this or I'll share it later? If you allow me sometime, I'll share this notepad. I'll complete and share to you. Okay. I want to print this pattern. How to print this pattern? No, I'll don't. Man, Abbas, what questions you asking, guys? Didn't I share any class? Why you ask me, sir, share? You won't get. So how do I do this? Very simple. Can I print like this? Just go and execute. I can also print like this. Am I correct or not? So what are the questions? The question saying, print this pattern. Yeah, just wait. Rupesh, I'll come back. But if I say 4 rows and 4 columns with hash, or you can write a star, print 4 times. But if you say, can you please print 1000 hash like this? Okay, this is highly impossible. Again, we need to do manual. We learn for loop, let's say. For j in range 4, print hash. Check this. Pretty good. For j in range 4 means what? If I say print j, then I get j, guys. Yes, guys. And then if I say print star, you got star. Or maybe I can say as hash, I get. But what is my requirement? This is what my requirement. But now same things, what I'm going to do, I'll apply copy same code and paste one more time. Now we got like this. Understand or not? See, the same code, if I copy and if I use end, what happened, guys? Or maybe let's copy the code and apply here and try and equals to, oops, and equals to execute. This is what. Okay, now we got output, right? Now we got this one. So how many times I have to print? 4 times. So if I do like this, end, execute. But see, rather than I want to break it here, print, and check this. Now we got like this. I meant to say, let's copy and again print here and then again print here. Cool. Now I got my solution or not? Clear? So what I'm doing right now, so this is one way without print. If I do this, execute, and we got this one. But here, the same code print, done this, what happened? 2 rows with hash 4. But I can also do like this. Copy, paste, print means what? Print next line or not? So just go and check. This is what my output or not? But here the code is too long. Here the code is too long. That's why we can use nested for. Range is a data structures, guys, isn't it? So nested for, how to do this? For I in range 4, for j in range 4, print hash end. Just check this out. Now we got output or not? Which is better? This one is better or this one is better? Now I hope you understood why we use loops. To things repeats. So this is the things we repeats. Clear? Also, okay, let's do this. Give me 10 minutes. I will complete. I will share this notepad. Go home and take some food and sit down and talk to the brain and solve it. Take a pen and paper. You really enjoy it, guys. Okay? Do this. I want to print the pattern like this. Now think. We need to use increment, right? Now, if I tell you, can you think and do it by yourself and then check the code? So very simple, list range of 5, 0 to 4. Correct? But first line is 1, 2, 3. How to do that? For j in range of I, here I said range of 4, but here I pass range of I. I means what? 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Just print hash end. Just go ahead and check. But if you see this, 1 is missing or not? Hash is missing. So this one is fine, but I need this one as well. So that's why I can use I plus 1 and check this out. Now I got output. So this requires more time to sit. Simple code, but that's called logic. So in most of the interview, they have some logic building. So these logic building never comes in 1 day, 2 day. By spending time, it will come. Now, what about this now? Increment or decrement? I use I plus 1. So can I do I minus 1? Are you sure? I want to know the logic. What logic you'll write here? I plus 1, I minus 1. What else? So you can't think. 5 minus I means 4 minus I. You say I minus 4. Nahi hoga. 4 minus I. Decrement. Just now I said increment, decrement. First range of 4. 4 minus 1. First 4 print. Then 3. Did you see how do you make simple logic or not, guys? Okay. Last part, give me 5 minutes. If anyone from Java background, do you see people are leaving off? No problem, guys. You study, not study, it's up to you. I am here for 6 months. I have a more patience. So what is this? The next program we done as print the patterns using for and range. Remember these things. The 6th code we done. Last one for today. If you from Java background, you don't have a for else concept. Understand? Sometimes in interviews you might encounter this. For else in other programming language, it does not support, but Python it is support. Let's print the number from 1 to 20 and we don't want to print the number which is divisible by 5. Okay. And I don't want the number which is divisible by 5. So what happened? Let's say nums. I create a list. I create a list. For num in nums, if num mod 5 equal to 0, print num, right? Does 12 mod 5 equal to 0? No. So what is output I get now? What is output I get now, guys? 15. Correct. Now what about output for this? I add few numbers now. 25, 30. Correct. Good. 20. No, this one. 25, 30. But now what is my requirement? My requirement, you pass a list, print the number from 1 to 20. So we don't have print the number which is divisible by 3 because this is the, okay. So I think this is not, this is just for an explanations I used. What about this now? See, in this code, 25 and 20, right? Internally, it use loops. First, it will check 12, then 14, then 18, then 21, then 25. Then the moment when you say break, what happened? Only 25 prints, it skip 20 because it break the loop at the first instance. Just go ahead and 25. If I change 20 and then 25, what is output now? 20, right? It's break after check the logic. Like the same things here as well. But if you say break here, what is output I'll get? Only 10 and break. This part clear, everyone? This part, are we clear? We pass a list and write a loops and check a logic, write the conditions, the remainder is 0 and break it. But now my question is, what if these list has a number which is not divisible by 5? 7, 14, 18, 21, 23, 27. Is this number divisible by 5? Now just go and execute. No output. It should get a print message or not? It should get a print message. What is the print message? So here I'll use a logic else number not found. So that's why for else. But here we go. One small logic here. The moment, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times it print as number not found. So that's what I need to move back and here and okay, just execute. Concept clear or not? This concept's called for else. This concept's called for and else. So the moment when you enter here and you get this much time, and when you number found, there's all those things. The moment when you say here number not found, I mean to say if you have numbers, I hope this part is pretty clear. Okay, I think prime numbers I will tell you tomorrow, and just I'll stop it here because people are left. Okay. Can I share this file to you?